Begin this body awareness meditation by assuming your usual position for meditation. This could be either seated or lay down, whichever you prefer. Once you are settled and comfortable, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on the sensations that the breathing offers. The way the air feels cool as you inhale and warm as you exhale. How your stomach expands as it draws in oxygen. The energy that this oxygen provides your body. If you find your mind wandering at any time away from your focus, do not worry. Just allow yourself to refocus on your breathing. When you feel ready, begin to shift your focus from your breathing to your body in general. If you feel any aches, pains or stiffness, loosen these parts of your body until you feel as comfortable and as natural as possible. Now it is time to start focusing on individual parts of the body, beginning with the feet. As you focus on specific parts of your body, you may find that they begin to feel warmer and more relaxed. Imagine that your feet are the roots of your body, drawing awareness up from the ground, up into your body. Allow this awareness to spread up through your feet to your ankles and lower legs. Enjoy the relaxed, warm feeling. Experience how your lower legs seem to feel much heavier and looser than normal. Now allow this awareness to spread to your knee joints. If you have problems with your knees or any other part of your body, you may use this time meditation to visualize your body healing itself as you go from point to point. Body awareness meditation. Slowly let your awareness spread further up into the upper legs, hips, buttocks and the genitals. Many people find they hold much of their tension in these areas, so spend a little extra time allowing these parts of your body to relax and loosen, letting the energy and awareness course through. When it feels right, draw this energy and awareness to the base of your spine. It is important to take your time, or you may find your muscles will tense up a little. Focus this awareness up through the curvature of your spine to the tip of the spine, which is about an inch below the knuckle-like bump in the back of your skull. Relax and ease the muscles around this point. This will include loosening your jaw if you haven't already done so. Once you have a feel for this top point of your spine, keep it in your mind while also focusing on the base of your spine. Imagine a warm ball of light at both the top and bottom of your spine. The light at the base of your spine is slowly drawn down into the ground below you like a loving anchor. The light at the top of your spine is slowly moving up towards the heavens. You will find that the muscles that hold your spine begin to loosen, and each vertebra of your spine create a little extra space in between each other. When your spine is fully relaxed, shift your focus to your shoulders. You may find that you need to now readjust the position of your shoulders to remain comfortable now that your spine is so well relaxed. Experiment with moving them gently into different positions until they feel in sync with the rest of your posture. Draw this awareness down your arms and into the fingers. Notice the very slight movements they are making all on their own. Move your awareness back up to your throat and release any tension that you may be holding there before moving further up your face. Feel the warmth of your awareness relax every facial muscle. Notice how sensitive your face is, how the air feels against it. Finally, shift your awareness to your brain. Become aware of just how amazing and powerful your brain is. Your brain is capable of regulating your entire body. Your brain houses your mind, which allows you to think, feel, and create. When you feel ready, open your eyes and return to waking consciousness.